Hello everyone. If you open Telegram and see the connection and updating loading and you can't access this messenger, you should know that recently Telegram servers in some countries had a problems and because of this you can't use this messenger. Of course, this problem is temporary and will be fixed after a few hours. Also, if you are not in a country that has a server problem, you can solve this problem by checking your internet connection, updating Telegram, and deleting Telegram app cache. Also, you should know that Telegram Messenger is filtered in some countries, and if you are in those countries, you will face the same connection problem. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.